How to create a honeypot undetectable token. As you can see, here people can buy but cannot sell. Only the creator can sell the token. You don't need anything difficult to create a token. You just need to copy past, but the code is not free. You can buy it from me, the most reliable seller. It is cheap. Let's get down to the process. Creating honeypot token by SA. Go to remix.ethereum.org and click New File. Name your file, token name.sol, x, testtoken.sol. Copy the honeypot token code. Paste the honeypot token code to your remix.eth blank file token name.sol. Go to line. In line 511 of the code, write the name of your token. I'll write test token. On line 520 of the code, write your token symbol. I'll write TST. In line 521 of the code, write the token name again as in line 511. You can also change the supply. Go to Solidity compiler. First of all, change it to compatible compiler. Secondly, click compile token name.sol. Go to contract deployer to deploy the contract. On deployer, change the environment into injected web3. Next, change the contact into token name.sol x.testtoken, testtoken.sol. Next, press the deploy button. Important, you must have enough BNB on MetaMask wallet. Copy here. After deployment, the token will credit it to your wallet. Firstly, copy the token contract address. Secondarily, go to your MetaMask wallet and click the add token and paste the contract address and save. Thirdly, go to the deployed token and send back the token back to contract add. Don't send all the deployed token, recommended is 90%. Token successful, sent to contract. Go to PancakeSwap and add liquidity. Important, it's up to you how much will you add. Recommended 1 BNB plus the liquidity. By the way, we are now doing a full crypto project from A to Z. If you are interested, contact me. Test buying. Token buyer will not sell their honeypot tokens even if they use any slippage. And then remove the liquidity. If you are interested, check the video description below. About the contract in the project, write to me in Telegram and do not be fooled by scammers.